So hey guys, welcome again in my new and very most important video. And in this video you can see that in this table I have lots of a smartphone and all our smartphones are logged just like that. Okay, this is a FRP lock. Okay, and this is Oppo smartphone and this is also logged, and we can't know this password lock. And also you can see that all our smartphones are locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock. And in this video I can show you how can you remove your pin pattern password lock without any using software, without any using computer, and without any kind of data loss. So let's start this video. Because of this video is helps to you unlock your smartphone. Okay, so let's start this video without any time wasting. First of all, I choose only one Android smartphone, and all methods and this method works in all Android smartphone in this world. So first of all, you have to power off your smartphone like that. Okay, and you have to choose power off option, and when your smartphone is powered off, you have to wait for a second, and after that you have to put your smartphone in recovery mode. And for recovery mode, you have to use your power button and volume down button and press continuously, press and hold. And when logo appear, you have to wait for 2 seconds, and after 2 seconds you have to release these buttons and wait for a new page, just like that. And this method is working in every Android smartphone, so don't hesitate. Learn this method properly, and in this video and in the last of this video you can unlock your smartphone. You can see that the language option appear in your smartphone, so you have to choose your preferred language. After that, there are many options showing here, just like online update, keep data, format data, reboot device, and power off. So you have to use and select format data. After select format data, you have to see this page. There are showing please enter verification code 6743. And when I come back and after open this format data option, again showing please enter verification code 9989, means the verification code is variable, and you can see that again a new code will be appear in this mobile screen. So you have to use this verification code on your mobile screen. So I'm going to use this code, and the code is 0180. And after that your handset is asking to cancel or format, so you have to choose format option and select. And after that you can see that your beeping is running now, and you have to wait for a second. After that your handset is formatted, so you have to click to OK. And after click to OK, your handset is going to restart mode, and wait for a minutes until I am going to this video for forwarding. So wait. And after that you can see that, my friends, your smartphone is completely formatted, and you have to configure your smartphone. So let's start. You have to click next. After that select your preferred language. Okay, and select your region. Okay, and select continue, and tick out all terms and conditions and click next. Click to skip. Okay, and after that click more and accept, and click to skip button, and click also skip here. and select your gesture like button and gesture. Select next, click to done, and your handset is completely unlocked, my friends. So click get started option here, and after a few seconds your handset is completely unlocked and there is no any photos, videos and data loss of your smartphone. If you want your data, so you have to recover your data by using your smartphone settings. After that your data, all data will be recovered soon. Okay, and if you have any queries, so don't forget to comment us. After that our team will reply to you within 5 minutes. So if you have any Android smartphone and you can't unlock your handset, so you have to put your comment and we will comment you within 5 minutes. So let's so after that this video, stay tuned and keep watching.